After a record-breaking year in 2019, with our biggest ever audiences, our best ever programme, and a series of quality events throughout the year, nobody could have predicted the turmoil, disruption and the challenges that COVID-19 would bring at the latter part of 2019 into early 2020. It was no surprise that the first industry to react to the COVID pandemic was the arts and cultural world, with free events, concerts, workshops, etc. put on for free to keep communities connected and to keep communities engaged. As an organisation, Fela was quick to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic. We were the first major event and festival in the city to put our events online and go virtual. And that in itself presented a number of challenges to the organisation, but the challenges that our staff, committee and volunteers rose to, and we put on a fantastic array of events throughout 2020, and in particular with our August flagship festival.
This year we kick-started our programme of events with the Fela Nyari Festival, which is getting bigger year on year. We had over 150 events taking place in over 50 venues. 44 of those events were scheduled by our community partners, which is the largest so far for our Fela Nyari Festival. In the midst of our Fela Nyari programme, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. This had an obvious impact on the rest of our activities throughout the year. Most notably, our flagship August Festival this year went virtual for the first time ever. As always, Fela and the West Belfast community rose to the challenge. While we were unable to have our festival in our usual way, it did open up other opportunities for us for extending our audiences in different ways. We had over 100 online events with a viewing of across all our social media platforms of over 300,000.
One of the highlights for myself was our Friday Night Lights programme, which was over 120 young people from local GAA clubs taking part in our national games on a Friday evening. As we moved into lockdown, another highlight of my year was our community response for young people. This involved community workers and youth workers from across West Belfast putting some programmes in place for young people. One of them programmes was our weekly cook-off programme, which Fela and Phobos young people took part in.
And once again this year we had a very successful debates and discussions programme, and St Mary's as our partner afforded us the opportunity of recording many of those talks in their old library, and what a setting that was for those talks. We were probably catapulted into digital online platforms much sooner and quicker than we may have liked, but we embraced it, and to be honest I think it was very successful. At times we had record numbers of audiences. We grew our global reach, and there were obvious contributors such as Yanis Varoufakis, Noam Chomsky, that we may not have otherwise have got had it not been an online platform, albeit we missed the engagement of face to face. But you know, as I say, there was some good things to come out of the use of digital.
When I first came in, it was about getting finance procedures and finance systems in place that were fit for purpose, looking after a budget of about 1.7 million, and we hope to increase that going into the 2020 year, but unfortunately global pandemic hit, and we then had to adjust and focus on ensuring the financial stability of Fela for the rest of the year. We were able to do that successfully through securing funding from a number of new funders, as well as reprofiling some current funding. We were able to cover our core costs and programming costs for the year, as well as taking care of some historical losses. So we're in a strong financial position going into the 2021 year, and one to look forward to with optimism.
From the outset of COVID, whenever the lockdowns happened in March, we explored new ways of engaging with the local community. So initially that took place in the form of remote connections through the social media platforms, your Zoom, your Microsoft Teams, but also here today we're at Cooper Way, and I've selected this place especially for this presentation because I wanted to highlight what's behind me here. And what we have is a series of murals that were delivered by young people from East Belfast and from West Belfast, and this is just one of a number of cross-community projects that we're involved in, and it just want to highlight the scope, the breadth and width that Fela is involved in cross-community work, peace and reconciliation work.
For 2021, who knows what restrictions are going to be in place for our various festival? Who knows what restrictions are going to be lifted? We hope we do get to do some of our live events, but if not, we will undoubtedly have a strong online presence as well as hopefully a bit of a live presence too. And we're all looking forward to the challenges and the opportunities that 2020 will bring in delivering our programme of events.
We had some 100 plus events and 40 of them were the debates and discussions. And I think, you know, looking forward to 2021, it's likely that we're going to have a hybrid of online activities, some very socially distanced, smaller activities, and the debates and discussions will be part of that. It's what a year for debate and discussion. You know, we have Brexit, we have the constitutional position, we have 100 years of partition. So looking forward to quite an eclectic mix of debates and discussions. And you know, I'm looking forward with some hope and vigour, and all that's left for me to say is Nulla Conageve and Fela Boo.
Throughout this pandemic, we continue to applaud our frontline workers, our community organisations, sports clubs and everyone else who has played their part to keep people connected and community spirits high. As we face into 2021 with a sense of optimism, we do so knowing that there will be further challenges and difficulties ahead. But as always, and true to our core values, Fela will ensure that we put our best foot forward and represent West Belfast as best we can through arts and cultural showcases. Perhaps more than ever, the saying, Ninyart Gakurla Kela, rings true. And we will ensure we put our best foot forward in 2021. We will face into the challenges that 2021 will present with a renewed sense of spirit, cohesion and endeavour to ensure that we put on an exciting, inspirational and innovative programme of arts and cultural events, once again ensuring we put West Belfast on the map.